Hello everyone. Welcome to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we are going to talk about a very powerful topic, the importance of daily English practice. Many learners ask me, how can I improve my English faster? How can I become fluent? The answer is simple but very powerful. You must practice every day, not once a week. Not only on weekends, but every single day, even if it is only for 10 minutes. Why is daily practice so important? When you practice every day, your brain stays connected to English. Your mind does not forget the words or the grammar that you already learned. If you practice only once a week, you will forget many things. When you come back to study, you will feel slow again. But when you do a little practice every day, your progress becomes faster and your brain becomes stronger. Think about exercise. If you go to the gym only once a month, your muscles do not grow. But if you do a little exercise every day, your body becomes stronger. In the same way, English is like a muscle. You need to train it every day. So how can you practice English every day? Let me give you some simple steps. Step 1. Listen to English every day. It can be music, a podcast, a video, or a short story. Just listen and try to understand. Step 2. Read something in English every day. It can be a short article, a message, a story, or even subtitles from a video. When you read, you see new words and you remember them better. Step 3. Speak something in English every day. It does not matter if you are alone. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Make short sentences. Say, I am eating rice. Say, I am walking to the shop. Say, I am brushing my teeth. These little sentences will train your mouth and your brain to work together. Step 4. Write something in English every day. You can keep a simple diary. Write 1 or 2 sentences about your day. Write about your feelings or about something you did. Writing makes your memory stronger, and it also helps you think more clearly in English. Now let us make it more practical. Imagine you have only 15 minutes each day. What can you do? You can spend 5 minutes listening to a short English video. You can spend 5 minutes reading a short article. You can spend 5 minutes talking to yourself or writing a few lines. This is enough to keep your English active and alive. Even with 15 minutes a day, your English will grow faster than someone who studies only 1 or 2 hours a week. Daily practice keeps your brain fresh. Let us practice together. I will ask you some questions, and you try to answer in English. Even if your answer is very short, it is good practice. What did you do yesterday? What will you do tomorrow? What is your favorite place in your city? What is one thing you want to learn this year? Now let us try a second practice. I will describe a situation, and you think about your answer in English. Imagine you are in a coffee shop. What would you like to order? Imagine you are meeting a new friend. How do you introduce yourself? Imagine you are at the bus stop and the bus is late. What are you thinking about? When you answer these questions, in your mind, you are training your brain to think in English without translation. Remember, practice is not about perfection. It is about repetition. The more you repeat, the more natural English becomes for you. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a step forward. Let me share a small story. My friend wanted to improve his English, but he had very little time. Every day, he decided to spend only 10 minutes practicing English. He listened to music in English while cooking. He read a short article before sleeping. He spoke a few sentences to himself every morning. After 3 months, his English became much better. He could think faster, he could understand more, and he felt more confident. The secret was not big study time. The secret was small practice every day. Another important thing is motivation. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel lazy. Sometimes you think, I cannot do this. But remember, even if you do only 5 minutes, it is better than 0 minutes. 5 minutes every day is 35 minutes in a week, 140 minutes in a month, more than 1,600 minutes in a year. Small steps become a big result. So when you feel tired, tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Listen to one short video. Read one paragraph. Speak to sentences. That is enough to keep your English alive. So let us review what we learned today. Daily practice is the key to fluency. Practice listening, practice reading, practice speaking, and practice writing, even for a short time. When you practice every day, your brain becomes faster, your memory becomes stronger, your confidence grows, and step by step, you will become fluent. Great job, everyone. You are learning every day. Remember, fluency is not one big jump. It is many small steps. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and do not give up. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to English Speaking and Listening Club for more daily practice lessons. See you in the next video.